Hey, what's up, guys? Did you know there's a hype feature on YouTube, or did you not know there's a hype feature on YouTube? I'm going to be showing you where to find this feature and to be able to hype your favorite creator and boost them in the algorithm and help their video get recommended and pushed out a little bit more. The only downside is there's only 3 limits. You only got 3 limits. So what it says here, it says you're already hyped 3 times this week. So you can only hype 3 times in 1 week. I didn't even know about this feature. Apparently this rolled out in like 2023 and then really started coming out 2024. But I never saw this until like recently, so I was like confused. I was like, wait a second, this is like a brand new feature. So in a way, this is kind of like a brand new feature to me, but you know, I haven't seen this until now. So apparently you can just hype people, and so it's kind of like TikTok when people are like live streaming and you can like kind of like push out their thing by tapping it, you know what I mean? And stuff like that. It's kind of like that, but you just hype it. I think this is a cool idea. I think some people don't even know this is a thing. So like I said, what you do, okay, so this is how you do it. You go to the comments, right? Before you click on the comments, you should be able to scroll it, and you should be able to summarize the video with AI, right? Using AI. And then there should be also one more scroll, and then you should be able to hype them. And sometimes it glitches out. I don't know what's going on. Because this feature, like I said, I've never seen this, but it should be there. And if it's not, it's probably just gonna have 2 bubbles. And the first bubble will be the comments, and the second bubble will be the AI analyzing feature. The little bubble goes away, and you can't. I mean, I don't know if it's like glitching or whatnot. And also, but this is such a cool feature, man. I think this is awesome. Because your fans, the people that support you, can actually help push out your videos. You know, if you're a seed audience, you know, whatever, they don't like it, then some of your, you know, the people that do like it, you could tell them, hey, like, can you guys like push out this and make sure and get other people, you know, to watch this video? I think it's a cool idea, man. I didn't even know this was a thing, man. I didn't even know this was a thing, and I'm sure there's a lot of people that don't even know this is a thing. And this is a new feature in a way. I know some people are going to say, no, this is not a new feature. This has been here. But, you know, I feel like this is new. This is new. This is new to me. It's new to other people. It has to be, because I've seen comments, people saying they don't know how to find this. They don't know how to scroll and stuff like that. So this is something I really wanted to share really quick. But overall, this is the hype feature. Awesome. I love it. I'm curious if YouTube will ever do a premium feature where they give you more hype. Like, let's say instead of 3, they should give you 6. I think that would be a good incentive to push out premium. It's either that, or like I said in one of my videos, is make members, like channel members, like give them no ads. So that's also another thing too. So go check out my other videos, man. I got a lot of videos. I got a lot of stuff. I got some movie stuff there, you know, a lot of discussion about AI, all this stuff. Go check out my videos and get your hype going, man. Get your hype going. I'm gonna get my hype. Get it out there, baby. Get that hype and boost up your favorite creators so they can get discovered on the YouTube platform. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, as this is your boy A1 Solution, and that's me.